Guys, the fishing has been super difficult. It's only our second day, our first full day here in Utuado, Puerto Rico. I don't know the species as well as I was hoping because I did a lot of research online, but my research basically led to nothing. There is almost no information on freshwater fishing. There's actually more resources on YouTube than there are on Puerto Rico's Department of Natural Resource website. My first fish of the Puerto Rico trip, guys, and I am wrapped up in bamboo. I have no clue what fish this is, but it's got a really small mouth. It looks like teeth. Oh man, I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing off the hook. Look at this fat fish. Oh my gosh, they got some crazy teeth. I gotta get this stick out of its mouth. There we go. Okay. He's hooked pretty good. Guys, this is turning into an actual disaster. No idea what type of fish this is. It is beautiful though. It's fat. I mean, it's not very long. It's maybe 12 inches long, maybe. But it is heavy. This sucker's got to weigh 1.5 pounds at this small size. But that is my first fish of this Puerto Rico trip. So for these peacock bass, the recipe I'm using is no seasoning, and I'm using a Hungry Jack pancake mix. The house we're staying at, we don't have any sort of seasoning, so we're going bare bones here. My oil's a little hot. Alright guys, so I have my brother Alan with me. We're here in Puerto Rico because he got married this last weekend, so congratulations to my brother Alan.
Thank you.
So my brother's going to help me decipher if this fish is worth eating. Let's do it. So again, this is what we're dealing with here. We're going to try it with and without lime.
Is this knife clean?
Yeah, I used it to cut limes. So
which one you want? I'll take those.
Don't matter. Here, you want to break it up? No.
Sure. I was just gonna take a bite out of this tongue.
Just a little. Here, let's dip it. Not sure if you can tell, but it's a nice white, flaky fish. It's probably not gonna focus in very well because I'm bigger than the piece of fish, but
All right.
It's delicious is what it
You
is.
tried it already?
I had to, yeah.
So there's absolutely no seasoning on this. It's literally pancake mix and then vegetable oil. So we're trying it now as is, no lime, nothing. And it is good, yeah. It's very good.
It's not,
It's not fishy.
it's not firm like you would expect either for how dense that fish was.
Yeah. So that fish was right at, it was 1 pound exactly. That was after it had been out of the water for several minutes. But it weighed in at 1 pound exactly, which I thought it weighed a little heavier than that initially. But yeah,
It felt like 2 pounds holding it on the.
yeah. And when I caught the fish, I guessed it at 1.5 pounds, in which they do lose a little weight. You know, as they're out of the water, they lose some of that water weight. As is plain, it is good. It's edible, obviously. With lime, though, big difference.
It's better than edible just plain. And
Yeah. Lime makes a huge difference.
very good.
The citrus with the fried, it's a very good combination.
If you had some cayenne put on there, and the
Yeah.
lime would really set that off.
Oh yeah.
That's good.
But yeah, my favorite seasoning is actually a Creole or a Cajun seasoning. We don't have anything. We came really unprepared. We got here last night and
We didn't realize that there wasn't a store for 45 minutes.
Yeah, so the nearest store is nearly an hour away. It's like 45 minutes away. And we just spaced getting salt and pepper today, even though I told the group that I needed salt and pepper to do this video. So shame on me for being so stupid. But anyways, the fish is great. Beautiful place, as you saw in the house tour that I showed you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching Eat, Explore, Hunt. Again, my name is Jeff. This is my brother Alan. Hope you guys have a good one.
Bye.